Hello kids, welcome to another exciting grammar lesson with VSA Edutube. Today we're going to be looking at the parts of speech. In the English language we have 8 parts of speech and they are noun, adjective, verb, interjection, pronoun, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. We're going to look at each of these parts of speech one at a time. The first one is the noun. A noun is the name of a person, animal, thing, place or idea. Some examples are cat, desk, pencil, books, students. Next we have the adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Some examples are happy, tall, yellow, funny. Next the verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describe an action, feeling, or state. Some examples are drink, look, think, love, hope. Next is interjection. An interjection expresses a strong emotion. It always has an exclamation mark attached to the word. For example, wow! This presentation was amazing. Next adverb. An adverb modifies a verb. An adjective or another adverb. It tells us how often, where, and when. For example, I always have a big cup of coffee in the morning. Next is the pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. For example, Claudia is a teacher. She is teaching us English. Next, preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun or gerund to show place, time, or direction. For example, the star is on your head. And lastly, conjunction. Conjunctions join words or group of words in a sentence. For example, Juliana, Francisco, and Pedro are taking an online class. Thank you so much for joining us for today's lesson. See you in the next one. Bye.